How do LCD screens work? Imagine looking through a window that can magically change its view at the touch of a button. This is a bit like how an LCD screen works. LCD stands for liquid crystal display, and these screens are in all sorts of devices, from televisions and computers to smartphones and calculators. An LCD screen's job is to show you pictures and videos by controlling the light and colors you see. It's quite a clever invention. Let's break it down to understand how this window works. When you look at an LCD screen, you see different colors and images. But how does it all come together? Imagine tiny shutters or blinds that can open and close. Liquid crystals are the magical part that change shape when electricity is applied. They can twist and turn to allow or block the light. This is similar to how you might open window blinds to let in sunlight, or close them to darken a room. Here's how it works step by step. 1. The backlight. First, we have a special light source behind the screen called a backlight. Without this, the screen would just be dark. It provides the light needed to form the images and colors you see. 2. Liquid crystals. These are sandwiched between pieces of glass with tiny grids of electronic circuits. When electricity passes through these circuits, it makes the liquid crystals move. 3. Filters for colors. LCD screens have filters for the 3 primary colors of light: red, green, and blue, RGB. These filters work like tiny artists mixing paint, creating all the colors you see on the screen by blending different amounts of these 3 colors. 4. Creating images. The liquid crystals control whether specific parts of the screen are bright or dark by twisting to allow the backlight to pass through the colored filters. By doing this at lightning speed across millions of spots on the screen, called pixels, it creates moving images like videos. 5. Pixel precision. Each pixel on an LCD screen is like a tiny, colorful tile in a giant mosaic. By controlling each pixel's color and brightness, the screen can create sharp and detailed pictures. So, every time you watch a cartoon or play a video game, your LCD is working hard to twist and turn light, so you see vivid colors and exciting images. It's like having a colorful, moving mosaic, controlled by the incredible dances of liquid crystals behind the scenes. The next time you look at an LCD screen, remember how it's a tiny world of twisting liquid crystals, all working together to bring you your favorite shows and games. Isn't technology amazing?